Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Just want to say thanks for watching. Also thank you everybody who said happy birthday to me. Awesome. I just cannot keep up with all the happy birthday comments, but yes, I turned 35. I know it's crazy, but a couple things I want to share with you guys. Now, if you guys did order a Coupon Addict t-shirt like a month ago and you still want to send me a picture, send me a picture. You guys have a couple more days to send me a picture. I'm going to do a little video montage with all of us wearing our shirts. And yes, I will be bringing them back. I'm going to bring them back, I think, November 1st. So people can get them for, like, the holidays or their significant others or whatever wants to get them. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that if you guys want to do that. So they will be coming back. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Target. My kid is like kicking the camera. Ben, don't kick the camera. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Target. Now, it was an okay deal. I got something that I was actually super excited to get. So I'm here to just shut up and start talking and show you guys what I got. Now, I really wanted to try to do more Ibotta deals for you guys, but there's just not a lot of Ibotta deals this month, but I'm hoping September is a better month. But if you guys haven't joined Ibotta, definitely join it. Click my link below. You guys will get $10 when you redeem your first rebate, which is awesome. You gonna go play with that? Okay, sorry, his face is like filthy. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. So what I ended up getting is the Rohoto. Now, every time I was gonna do this deal at Walmart, they're sold out anyway, so I just get it at Target because I know they have these. Now, my store doesn't have these labeled. There's like no price on it for like the last week in a row. Cool. So this was $9.99. There is a 20% off all eye care coupon that you guys want to use, or a coupon 20% off Cartwheel. Plus there's that $5 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $2.99 for this. But then you guys will end up getting, you guys can submit a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making it a $2.01 moneymaker. So that is super, super awesome. Wanted to share with you guys with that deal. Now, I ended up doing that Febreze thing. Now, this is the Febreze plug. I wanted to get some of the scents, but I wanted to get a spray first, but I'm going to get a scent next time. But these were originally $2.99. My store had them in two different spots. The first spot was completely gone, and then I just walked down by the special edition ones, and they had some there. So these were just $2.99. You guys want to use that free coupon that we got from the August P&G, or not the August P&G, the September P&G, Procter & Gamble. You guys, this will end up taking just $2.99 off, so you guys will end up getting this absolutely free. I'm actually excited to try this. I want to get some of the apple and pumpkin ones that they have, so definitely look at the new flavors if you guys are interested in that. And speaking of the new flavors, as I say, or scents, they ended up having the fresh pressed apple. I'm so excited for this. It's like, it kind of reminds me of a bathroom, but it does smell good. It does, probably because my bathroom smells like apples. And then the next one I got is a fresh harvest pumpkin. I was gonna get 2 apples, but then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna try the Febreze pumpkin one. So these were $2.99. Now there's a deal where if you buy one, you get 20% off the second one. So it's $2.99 and $2.69. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon. The coupon at Target actually takes off $2.69. So you guys would get both of these for $2.99 or just $1 a piece, or $1.50 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. And I'm so excited to start having my house smell like fall, you guys. I'm so excited to like stock up on those. So I plan on using a lot of those Febreze coupons. Now this degree and Vaseline deal. Now you guys can do this deal any way you want, but the thing is with the Unilever coupons, the ones with that little U symbol, you can only use 2 of the same coupons per transaction. So if you guys want to buy 4 Vaselines, you can't, because that's coupon fraud, because you're using more than 2 in the same transaction. I've seen a lot of people do breakdowns where they're like, you can use 4 coupons. It's like, no, you can't. You got to follow the coupon rule. That's why they keep changing limits, because people have ruined it for us. So please follow the coupon rule. I'm not trying to nag, but I know a lot of you guys, you know, some of you guys are really good and some people may not. I'm not like bashing anybody. I've made mistakes too. Everybody makes mistakes, but purposely don't try to make a mistake. So I ended up getting 2 of the Degree Motion Scents. Now, there was a price tag that said it was $3.89, and then below it was the buy 4 get $5 gift card that said it was $4.29. So I always take pictures of my stuff. Well, you guys know I take pictures, but when I know there's going to be a discrepancy at the register, I end up taking it with me, because I will say something, and Target's pretty good at matching their prices if it's wrong. So what you guys want to use is you guys want to use $2.75 off coupons that we got on coupons.com for these. And then you guys want to buy 2 Vaselines for the $2 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. So you guys want to buy all 4 of these. So 2 $1.75s and 2 $2 off coupons. You guys would pay $7.08 for this. Yeah, so I had them price match this. So $7.08. You guys also want to submit your receipt for this. I ended up getting 98 points for Fetch Rewards. If you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards, that's my second favorite app along with Ibotta. You guys will get, if you guys click my referral link below, you're not on my team or anything, but you guys can end up getting like a 2,000 bonus, which is $2. So every 1,000 points you have is $1. So right there you got $2 right there. And stay tuned. I am going to be making how to get a free Christmas, you guys. I'm going to do a couple different videos on how to get a free Christmas. So that one video is coming this week. So what you guys want to do is you guys, after you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you guys will also get a $5 gift card for buying 4 of them, making all 4 of these just $2.08. That comes out to be like 52 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I've been using like Secret deodorant for a long time, and I'm like, maybe I should try something different. So had to get Degree. That's something I don't get a lot of. And then I ended up getting the Crunchmaster crackers. Now these were $2.59 on sale this week, so they are cheaper than Walmart. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got from a long time ago on coupons.com. If you guys don't have that coupon, you guys can join the Crunchmaster email and they'll send you a $1 coupon. So you guys would end up paying $1.59 for this. But then you guys can submit $1 on Ibotta, and you guys can submit $1 on Checkout 51. Now I already got it approved on Checkout 51 and I got my money already. So you guys would end up getting this. I totally did not write this answer down. What is it, a 31-cent moneymaker? So this ends up becoming a 31-cent moneymaker. So I think that's a pretty good deal. 60. I don't remember, you guys. You're going to have to see my breakdown. So, yes, definitely wanted to share with you guys with that. And then the last deal I got, as long as you guys know, we have those Bic coupons that just came out for $1 off one product. So I'm trying to show you guys some deals. I'm going to get pens galore, because I just moved to a new area in my place where I work, and I work with all guys again, but I'm going to be having like a little jar of pens, because everybody always needs pens. Where I work, they don't supply them to us. We have to get them ourselves. So I'm just like, guess what, you guys, you're all getting pens. So I'm like, I'm going to go crazy over these Bic pens, because I cannot go wrong with that. So these were just 97 cents for, or no, Target, these were 99 cents for these. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon. The coupon only takes off 99 cents, so you get these absolutely free. Now they have them in black, blue, and red, so definitely wanted to get that deal. But yes, that was my Target haul. It wasn't much, but hey, I'm pretty excited to what I got. I really like getting the Vaseline lotion because sometimes I just kind of get sick of the Bath & Body Works lotion, even though that is my favorite. So yes, my total came to $14.65 for everything. I ended up getting $6 back with Ibotta. I got $1 back with Checo 51. I got 98 points for Fetch Rewards. And then I ended up getting a $5 gift card back for buying the Vaseline and the Degree. So if you guys add everything together, I paid $2.65 for everything. That's just 9 items for 29 cents each. I have the hiccups all of a sudden. Oh dear. So yeah, just $2.65 for all that. I think that is an awesome, awesome deal. So hopefully you guys can do some deals. And yes, and it is the end of the month, so a lot of you guys should be finishing, hopefully, level 4. A lot of you guys have messaged me saying you've never hit level 4 before until now. And I have a feeling September is going to be a better month for Ibotta. And the reason is because everybody's kind of going back to school. And, you know, now people kind of want to start, you know, looking into the saving money for the holidays and all that stuff. So yes, and I'm here to share with you guys all the holiday deals that I can. But yes, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.